The diet you follow if you have liver disease depends on what type of liver disease you have. But according to the American Liver Foundation, there are some general dietary rules that apply to all types of liver problems. Foods to avoid. Foods that are high in fat, sugar, and salt will do further damage to your liver. Get in the habit of reading food labels so you make the right choices. Foods that are especially bad for you include fried foods, like the kind you get at fast food restaurants. Foods made with refined white flour like white bread, baked goods, and even pasta are also on this list. Food made with white flour is not only light on nutrition, but it turns into sugar and then fat during digestion. Some of this fat is bound to accumulate in the liver, further compromising function. You should definitely avoid raw or undercooked shellfish, such as oysters and clams. However, certain kinds of fish are good for a diseased liver. These include salmon, sardines, tuna, and lake trout, which are all high in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s can decrease liver inflammation. Balance your diet by choosing foods from all food groups, including grains, fruits, vegetables, meat, beans, dairy, and healthy oils. Learn which foods offer a lot of fiber, because fiber helps your liver work at an optimal level. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water prevents dehydration, which lowers liver function. Finally, if you drink alcohol, talk to your doctor about whether you should continue to imbibe or not. He or she will probably tell you to avoid alcohol, but if some alcohol is okay, keep it down to 1 drink a day if you're a woman and 2 drinks a day if you're a man. The goal of this video has been to provide quick, basic information about a diet for liver disease recovery. But once again, you should always rely only on a doctor for professional advice related to your health or diet.